As you all know, my Devadai's engagement has been fixed at this month end, and I told you previously I am very much planned. Yes, 1 month before itself we got all well planned. That is, I planned it very well. And my second sister-in-law, I need to tell about her. We call her Tyagi. Why we call her Tyagi is because wherever we have a get together, or she comes to our house or we go to her house, she is the first person. She comes to help, either help anybody. She there is no like, she never sees whom she is going to help, whatever it is. She goes out of the way to help, and she carries whomever is there with her. She carries their luggage with them, and she goes out of the way to help them. That is, we call her Tyagi. We call her, and I went with her. And one more thing I need to tell about our Bangalore. That is about Bangalore is the place. This is the hub. We can. I am born and brought up in Bangalore. Why I love this place is this is climate. You can. Climate is feeble over here, and you can adjust to this climate, and cost is not so expensive, and you can get accommodation is very feeble over here, and for ladies, that is, I have born my Devadais I have bought up my Devadais over here. It's a safety place as well. You can trust anybody over here, and moreover, cosmopolitan city, and techie wise, it's anybody can settle over here. And one more thing I have to tell this about this place, Malleshwaram. Where I went in I need to tell about this Malleshwaram 8th Cross, where I had shopped for this my Devadais and for my prince. For the engagement, we had been for shopping with my Tyagi, that is with my second sister-in-law. I will talk about my first sister-in-law in the next, because there is a volume about her to talk about my first sister-in-law. She is called Annapurneshwari. So I need to talk about my first sister-in-law in the next episode. Yeah, this Tyagi, I had been for shopping with my Tyagi, that Malleshwaram I was talking about. This 8th Cross, you can find anything. You can find anything for shopping, except you can't find your parents over there. That's it. Like, you can see whatever you can shop for it in 8th Cross. Yes. And that is what I wanted to show. What all I do, like we give what you call the seer. You tell when the like petty things, for my prince. For my prince, petty things we keep it in the engagement plates. I wanted to show it to my friends. For my not tiny things to what all you find in Malleshwaram, I wanted to show with my my Tyagi. I had been for shopping. And one more thing I need to tell about my Tyagi, she never allows me to spend over there. She makes sure that she will only carry all the luggages. That is what she makes sure. Yes. Vanakobri, we call it in Kannada. See Ganesha. Behind they have carved, they have drawn on something flower, and they have kept a stand for this so that it doesn't fall. Like this, we have 5 set in this dry coconut. Yes. This is a set of 10 blouse pieces. You get it in this pack. It's so nice. I will show you one piece. I will show you in this. I liked it a lot. Yeah, it's very nice. And one more thing, in this whole lot, I liked it very much. Is this one, a miniature form of my prince and my devadai. Yes, it is my prince and my devadai. See, this is an engagement set. This is a miniature form of this one. See, it's very nice. It's just like. What is this means? In engagement, it's some sort of a tradition, it's some sort of a culture, or our love or to prince. We can keep how much we love our prince. It's not a must that, and to be frank, our prince side, my devada is to be mother-in-law. She never asked for any thing. She told, whatever you feel like giving, you can give it to your daughter. She told her. She's so loving nature that she told, whatever you feel like, I don't want anything, she told her. And we feel like giving to our prince. So this is the tiny things we feel like this one. I like this a lot, and these are the thing in the reception, like the entrance. This is the thing. It's not silver. It's what you call German silver. See, it's like a silver, and see this. It's made what do you call? They have carved in this German silver. It looks like silver, and the rate is 380. It looks like same like silver. I thought for a second, is it a silver? I thought, and we can keep it in the entrance so that we don't have any fear, like a fear of losing it. Okay. And in Malleshwaram, 8th cross, end of the 8th cross, in Sampige Road, we get in one shop, we get all these items, we get in one shop. And I found this one in this shop. See this, I liked it. You get a coconut, this is tambula set. You can keep it in the tray. These are the items we purchased in Malleshwaram, and these are the items we bought it in Sikkim, that is Avenue Road. Avenue Road is the place you can get anything in Avenue Road, but ladies, we can't travel, and it's a very congested place, and moreover they are constructing a road over there, and it was very tedious for us to travel with my Tyagi sister-in-law. Yes, and see, I will show you. These are the boxes we got it, and I will show you. I will tell you what is this. This is a box. Like my devata is to be mother-in-law. I have to give her this when she enters that engagement hall. I have to offer her this one with full of terti pal. We call it a milk sweet. I just love that sweet. Yes, whenever I go to my mother's house, I get tempted to have. My mother is very efficient in making that terti pal. Yes, I just love that. My mouth is watering. Yeah, and this is, we call it in Kannada, Sakare Achu. Yeah. It's a very delicate thing. Yeah. You can, it's made out of sugar, crystal sugar. It's just a showpiece, a bride and a groom. Yeah. And this tray, this is a small tray, a golden tray. This is about 70 rupees. This is a small tray so that I can keep this gems, you know, gems, chocolates, tiny ones, small kids will come to this engagement, you know. We can offer them small kids can keep over there. And this one is the almonds, chocolates. Already bought this one. Yes. And this is a tray. And each tray we will keep one tray we will keep. It's some sort of thing like one tray we will keep dry fruits, one tray will keep sweets, whatever his. You know, I told you in yesterday's video. You know, my prince loves sweets. Whichever sweets you, this box will filled with sweets as well. With this one will be filled with. And you know, nowadays he is dieting. This box, these trays will be filled with dry fruits as well with fruits. Yes, each box will be filled with dry fruits. Yes, and these are, see, such a nice tray. I just like this tray, and this one I bought it with 4 trays. And this is a tray, steel tray. It's a plain tray. Since these are the plastic tray, this one plain tray I bought it. And this tray is again a steel tray. I'll show you. It's something like a banyan tree. I just like this. Yeah. And again another 4 set of tray, steel tray. You know, banyan tree. Another 4 set of steel tray. It's our wish, you know. We can keep any whatever our wish with almonds, pistas, like ilachis. One tray, this one we can keep with flowers. Like we can keep, let's set 4 trays, 4 steel trays, 4 such small trays, 4 such type of plain trays. Yes, bought like this, and 4 such type of plastic trays. Yes, and these are the boxes. Full, we have to fill like full sweets. We have to, you know, my prince, my 2 Devadais prince, Rajakumar, and yes, we have to offer him sweets. I have to see, and I just love this box. It's made full of flowers. I'll show you this box. See, I just love this box. It's usually we get steel boxes with lid, but this box I just liked it. You know, it's out of some sort of printed box. Yes, that's all for today. Next shopping I will show you what all I have purchased for Devadai.